So a lot of times people start doing yoga and they pick a certain style of yoga they do and they start that with that style and they go to classes and maybe take a few workshops and then they get to say, well, this is the yoga for me. This is yoga XYZ. And this is the yoga that's for me. I chose it. And so they go with it for a while. Over time, more than likely, they're going to find that there's something about the yoga they're doing that needs to evolve as they evolve. As they change, it's not unlikely the yoga they do will also change. They'll have different needs, they'll have different abilities as you go through time. So you have to find a yoga that will grow with you. A yoga that actually inspires you and permits you to do what you want to do every day. You wake up, I want to do this yoga. I love it. It helps me. So what we're doing when we're choosing the yoga to do, or how we choose our yoga, you almost have to create a relationship with yourself to be your own teacher, where you decide, this is what I'm doing today. This is how I need to do. And to do that, you have to find a practice. It could be a small practice. Let's be clear. A lot of times people don't do yoga every day because they don't have enough time. That's what they say, right? I don't have time for yoga. I've got to get to work and I got these demands. It's somewhat true. However, you always have a few minutes. Everybody's life has at least 15 minutes that they can allocate to this. And by a 15-minute practice each day, you'll do much more good for yourself than if you went to yoga for 2 hours a day, maybe twice a week. Or maybe just once a week or every now and then you go to a yoga class. That's great. Good stuff. But it's that daily practice, however small, that builds over time. It creates an expectation, it creates a foundation, and it also just gives you an inspiration that this is part of my day. This is what I do. I get up and I do my yoga. 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes. It's a busy day, who knows? But you don't neglect it. You don't dismiss it. You don't make an excuse for not doing it. And so, not only the time, it has to be something that I like doing this. I could do this every day, no problem. That's the yoga for you. That's the yoga you do. But my passion right now is helping people develop a daily yoga routine. That's what's going to make all the difference in your life and the world.